Hi, I'm Lina. This is Glow for You, Russian made easy and fun. Today we're learning something super important, how to say hello in Russian, formal and informal. Let's go. Здравствуйте means hello in Russian, formal and respectful. Use it with stranger or older people or in professional situation. It's long, little bit difficult, but don't worry, just say slowly. Здравствуйте. Добрый день means good afternoon. Good afternoon is also polite and works great in meetings or emails. Good morning means доброе утро. Good evening means добрый вечер. Use them depending on the time of day, polite and natural. Technically, we can say добрый день or доброе утро, but honestly, we don't really use them in daily life. It's more for business meetings, schools or officer meetings. If you just talking a friend or someone your age, just say привет. Привет. That's what we really use. See, Russian greetings are easy and fun. You don't need to be perfect, just smile, try to eat and enjoy the moment. Subscribe to Glow for You, more real-life Russian without pressure or boring grammar. And tell me in the comment how to say hello in your language. And don't forget to like, subscribe and say до свидания, goodbye. See you next week with more fun and real Russian. Stay warm and keep glowing. Glow for You.